Take this quiet time for prayer and reflections. That's just one of the highlights that several lawmakers from the House of Representatives pointed out in their message for Filipinos for the observance of the Holy Week. Vel Custodio tells us more.
House Speaker Faustino Bogie III is urging Filipinos to use Holy Week as a time for reflection, renewal, and reaffirming values. He expressed hope that the spirit of Holy Week will lead to longer unity and a deeper sense of responsibility among Filipinos towards a more compassionate and resilient nation.
Sa pagdating ng mahal na araw, inaanyayahan ko ang bawat Pilipino na sandaling huminto at pagnilayan ang kahulugan ng mga araw na ito. Holy Week reminds us of sacrifice, forgiveness, and hope. Mga aral na patuloy na gumagabay sa ating bilang mga tao at bilang isang bansa. Sa gitna ng mga hamon ng buhay, paalala rin ito sa bawat kadiliman ang kasunod ang bukang liwayway ng liwanag at ang pag-asa ay laging may puwang sa puso ng bawat Pilipino. Naway ang pagkakataong ito ay para sa mas malalim na pananampalataya, mas matibay na pagmamahal sa pamilya, at mas matinding malasakit sa kapwa. Isang mapayapa at mapagpalang mahal na araw sa inyong lahat. God bless you and God bless the Philippines.
Meanwhile, House Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega V reminds the public that Christ died for us and redeemed us through His love and sacrifice. Later, Representative Martin Romualdez is also calling for Filipinos to use the time for Holy Week for prayer, reflection, and transformation, alongside a call for healing and unity amid challenges. According to Romualdez, moments of silence and reflection remind us that we are not alone and that God continues to guide our lives. He also emphasized the importance of deeper introspection, especially in times of conflict and hardship. He added that amid divisions, distrust, and difficulties, this can be an opportunity to rebuild relationship and strengthen unity. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.